Imagine renting an apartment where you can use all the amenities without worrying about electricity, plumbing, and maintenance. Cloud computing is somewhat similar, but instead of apartments, we're talking about renting IT infrastructure or even an entire software application. It is like skipping the entire process of building your construction from scratch and let another one taking care of every single details. That sounds cool, right? But when it comes to tech, everyone's got different needs. And that also makes sense. Some of us still want to build stuff from scratch. Some need a little head start, and some others just want to use the final product without any fuss. That's exactly where cloud computing service models and deployment models come to play. As we venture deeper into the cloud, it's essential for you to better understand how you can leverage it and better understand the various service types and various environments it offers through its models. These models are there to provide a tailored approach that align with specific organizational needs and objectives. They're like different flavors designed to match exactly what you're looking for, whether it's the building blocks, the tools to create, or just the finished software to use. So, long story short, these models are all about giving you choices that fit what you're trying to do. The first term is cloud computing service models, and the second one is cloud computing deployment models. Let's start with service models. Cloud computing service models focus on the type and category of the services that a cloud service provider offers. They are divided into three main types: infrastructure as a service, or some people call it Iaas, some people call it Iaas, tomato, doesn't matter. Platform as a service, or PaaS, and software as a service, or SaaS. Let's dive into a comparison of each using process of making a delicious pizza. Imagine you're in the mood for pizza and you've got three options, just like the three main models of cloud computing. Think of Iaas like having a fully stocked kitchen where you have all the raw ingredients and tools you need to make a pizza from scratch. You have complete control over every aspect, from the dough's thickness to the amount of cheese and other toppings as well. However, it is up to you to put in the work and clean up afterwards. In cloud computing, Iaas provides you with the raw compute, storage, and networking resources, and you have the full control on what and how you configure your application on top of it. PaaS is like buying a pizza kit that comes with pre-made dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. You still have the joy of making your pizza, but without the hassle of preparing the dough and ingredients. It's simpler than starting from scratch, but offers less customization than making everything yourself. In the cloud, PaaS gives you a platform and tools to develop and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. SaaS is like ordering a pizza for delivery. You just pick up the phone, order your favorite pizza, and it arrives ready to eat. You don't have to prepare, cook, or clean up or anything. You just enjoy the meal. Similarly, SaaS provides fully functional applications to users over the internet. You don't manage anything, not the infrastructure nor the platforms. You simply use the software, like sending an email with Gmail or managing documents in Google Drive. You realize that as you transition towards SaaS, you gradually offload more underlying duties to the provider and letting you focus solely on deliver your application and enhance your user experience. The second model is cloud computing deployment model, which focus on the deployment and the method of accessibility of the cloud services, which are also divided into three main types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is the deployment method that you use cloud service providers' services over the internet. It is the most common method used for deploying cloud services. All you need to do is to register online within a few clicks in the cloud service provider's website and start to use all its provided services. The second method is private cloud. This method is usually the method that big enterprise companies mostly tend to use due to their security requirements and also some required regulations. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, offering greater control and privacy, and the infrastructure can be hosted on-site or by third-party provider. And the last deployment method is hybrid cloud, which combines both public and private clouds, allowing data and application to be shared between them. This model offers a balance between flexibility, scalability, and security. This method is pretty helpful when you require scaling out, which you have run out of capacity in your private cloud infrastructure. As we wrap up, remember the key takeaway is all about matching the right model to your unique needs. It's crucial to consider the responsibility models, knowing what you're taking on versus what your cloud provider handles for you. Whether you lean towards Iaas, PaaS, or SaaS, each brings its blends of flexibility and control. And when it comes to deployment, public, private, or hybrid, think about what matters most for your project. Is it cost, control, compliance, or maybe a bit of each? Because choosing wisely can make all the difference in navigating the clouds smoothly. Okay, we've pretty much covered everything. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.